The LG B20 and today I'm doing a video about the Motorola 5G for Verizon Prepaid. So the Motorola 5G is available as of July 8th. So you have the option to get an affordable 5G smartphone. The Motorola 5G is the phone for you. So as of this video recording, the phone is currently out of stock. You'll have a volcanic gray color option there for the phone, 64 GB of storage, and it's $299.99 the contract. So not too bad there. So yeah. So there's the phone right there. Front and back of it, like I said, the whole punch for the front facing camera. Power and blind keys on the right side of the phone now. On the rear, like I said, the triple rear camera setup, along with the fingerprint sensor, which is your Motorola logo. Then you'll have the 5G logo on the back. So yeah, very nice looking phone. Just a phone, like I said, you guys have your whole punch, your earpiece, power and 9 Ps on the right side of the phone. Left side has your micro SD and SIM card slot. On the back of the phone, like I said, you guys will have your triple camera setup along with your camera flash, fingerprint sensor, and your 5G logo on the back. So pretty cool. Right side, power button, and button keys. There's the back of it again. And there's the back of it again. Alright, so yeah. Pretty nice looking phone, pretty decent specs or whatever. The main selling point of this phone is its 5G connectivity. So the Motorola 5G Ace the dimensions are 2.99 inches in width, 6.54 inches in height. Get up to 2 days of battery life, but that also depends on the use. Some of the stuff is not accurate, like the 424 hours of top standby time. Maybe they might be accurate, I don't know, but they need to fix that. It says up to twice. They do need to fix that. You do get 2 days of battery life. It also depends on the reach on the front, of course. You get 3 cameras in the back at 48 megapixel, 8 megapixel ultra wide, and then a 2 megapixel macro resonance camera on the back. Here you have AI and 5 pixel technology on the rear, so it is pretty nice. So, well, not bad for $300, you know. Like I said, the main selling point of this one is its 5G connectivity. It says introducing the Motorola 5G Ace, a smartphone with super fast battery speeds, download movies, Android games with ultra low lag, and video chat with clarity. Go over 2 days in a single charge with turbo power, 20-watt charging. View everything in true life color from the 6.7-inch Full HD Classic Vision display. Capture low light photos and ultra wide angle shots with the 48 megapixel camera. You will navigate smoothly to apps with the Qualcomm processor. That's a Snapdragon processor. I don't know what that is. I'm sure it'll tell us in the spec sheet. And ample storage space. And for those who want hands-free control, it supports multiple wake-up boards, including Google Assistant and Alexa, so that is pretty nice. Now with the coverage of 5G nationwide and the unprecedented performance of 5G ultra wideband, so pretty cool there. Like I said, 5G speed display, that's the main selling point for the phone. So you're getting the 5G phone for $300, which is a win. Download your favorite movies and shows, video chat, and play games with ultra low lag. Alright, better life that lasts. Work and play without worrying about charging thanks to a 5,000 mAh battery. You get hours of power in just minutes with a typical power 20-watt charging, and you will be powered up for for over 48 hours in a single charge. Let your weekend getaway begin. Like I said, that will also run on your usage as well. So they claim 2 days of battery life. So, oh man, it does have a big ass battery in it, and there's a 20-watt fast charger in it, so it is pretty nice. You also have Verizon adapter sound for premium audio. So this is interesting. Says it experience superior audio quality with an expanded soundstage, added clarity, crispness, rich trebles, and deeper basses. Verizon adaptive sound enhances all content, music, videos, and games on any connected device, including earbuds, speakers, and headphones. It also features a user-friendly interface for easy customization. So that is pretty wholesome. That's a new thing, I guess. Level up your viewing experience. Take your media and entertainment to a new level of sharp contrast and vivid, true-to-life color on the 6.7 inch Full HD plus mixed vision display. Experience all the games, movies, videos, chats, and brighter, more stunning detail. Get the shot day or night. Capture ultra clear ultra vid photos day or night. The 48 megapixel and sensor creates sharper, brighter 4 megapixel photos using quad pixel technology. Laser autofocus brings your subject into focus, and quad pixels delivers 4 times low light sensitivity, giving you the results you want each time. Do more faster than before. Experience faster performance with the Qualcomm Snapdragon 750G 5G processor. Seamlessly move through multiple apps with 4 GB of RAM and 64 GB of storage. There's enough space for songs, videos, and movies. Plus, you can add up to an additional 1 TB with the micro SD card. Since the Motorola 5G Ace uses universal flash storage, you always enjoy ultra responsive performance. Alright. Get hands-free access with just your voice. You can use a voice assistant such as Alexa to check the weather, make calls, play your favorite music, or stay on top of the latest news. You can also control the compatible smart home devices right from your phone. So that is very cool. They also have Google Assistant and Alexa on there for your voice assistants. So, pretty nice. Specs on this one are pretty good, you know. This is not a bad spec for $300 you got getting what you pay for here. But the main selling point is you're getting 5G for $300 on prepaid, alright? So, you guys get a volcanic gray color option, Type-C charging port, which is very nice. Height 6.54 inches, width 2.99 inches, depth is 0.39 inches. The Motorola 5G Ace weighs 7.53 ounces, so it's a bit hefty, has a big ass battery. Screen size is a 6.7 inch Full HD plus max vision. Display, that's a 20:9 aspect ratio. 5,000 mAh battery, supports up to 20-watt charging. I don't know if you guys get that in the box, if you guys would purchase that separately. So yeah. You guys do get the fast charging on here. I don't know if you guys will get the 20 watt fast charger or not. I don't know if it comes with the box or not. I don't know if it comes in the box or if you guys have to purchase it separately. You guys get up to 2 days of battery life for the 424 hours of usage of 424 hours of standby time recording of this, 48 megapixel main camera, 8 megapixel ultra wide, and 2 megapixel macro vision lens in the rear. That includes AI and quad pixel technology, 16 megapixel front-facing camera with quad pixel technology, Qualcomm Snapdragon 750G 5G processor, Android 11, 4 GB of RAM and 6 GB of built-in storage with the micro SD card set up to 1 TB. So 10 grams of RAM. Fingerprint sensor is in the rear, Bluetooth 5.1. Google Assistant, so Alexa hands-free supported. Alexa button press supported. Power button shortcut. Alright, so that's very nice. You get 5G, of course, 5G nationwide, and 5G ultra wideband, 4G, of course. Global roaming network, full device. Side ratings, Wi-Fi 80 rating, ABGN and AC, Wi-Fi, Wi-Fi hotspot. If you guys need help with your phone, Verizon has your help with that. Says here, Verizon launch support helps you better understand your Verizon mobile device and other Verizon services. So what comes in the box is your Motorola 158 prepaid smartphone, Type-C charging cable, SIM tool, and printed SIM card, and the Verizon brochures and stuff like that. Doesn't mention the charger. I don't know if it's a 10 watt charger or a 20 watt charger in the box. I guess we have to get the phone and see. Yeah, there you guys have it. The Verizon now has the Motorola 5G Ace on prepaid for $299.99. It's currently out of stock. Yeah, hopefully when this video goes live on YouTube, hopefully that phone will be available for purchase. So if you guys are looking to get a cheap 5G smartphone, the Motorola 5G Ace is a phone to check out. It does have pretty decent specs for it. $299 is it is a nice expensive price to same price phone. I think Metro has this one for $299 for the retail price. I think the AT&T Prepaid has this one for $299.99 for the retail price, and Verizon Prepaid has this one for retail price $299.99. Usually Verizon tends to price the phones a bit higher, but that's what Verizon produces. So yeah, there you guys go. Motorola 5G is now available on Verizon Prepaid. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. It really helps me out a lot. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.